it is something which is unforgivable. It's you cannot undo what they have done, but I really hope they learn from their mistake ASAP. And a lot of things have been said and done. So I think they already got the punishment and all that. And I just hope by the time World Cup is happening, they're an integral part of the team. And I really hope and wish them all the very best for the future, because I just generally hope if they get an opportunity to play, I think they deserve to be back in the team. But what they said is unforgivable. But I think the BCCI will take the right decision.
हार्दिक पांड्या और केएल राहुल के साथ जो चल रहा है उस पर आपकी क्या राय है?
मैं वो प्रोग्राम देखा नहीं यार, तो मेरे लिए
I'm also going to request my friends from the audience, because we have very little time.
So Comedy Nights with Kapil.
अरे
बाकी प्रोग्राम मैंने देखा नहीं यार.
But Saurabh, what difference do you find, Saurabh here, what difference do you find in the earlier cricketers and the cricketers now, the freshers, like on par with being obedient and etc. etc.
No, modern day cricketers are also obedient, in life certain things happen, you make mistakes, so let's not get too far into that, I think. But modern day players are all, look at Virat Kohli, he's such a fantastic role model. So every generation has, India is a fortunate country, every generation produces players who all of us cherish. There was Gavaskar. When Gavaskar went, people thought, who's next? Then came Tendulkar. Now when Tendulkar finished, people thought, who next? It's Virat Kohli. So we're a very fortunate country in terms of the sport, and a lot of these cricketers are fantastic human beings, because they come from very middle class backgrounds and they fight their way up. Can you imagine 11 selected out of the millions who play the game? There are 37 states who play cricket, and they all have such exceptional talent that to get to be picked for those that 11 in the national team and to play for 15-16 years is absolutely special. So they're humble, they know where it is, because that's reality. If you don't score, somebody else comes in. What you did last year has got nothing to do with this year. So that's what life is all about. So they're very humble. Every now and then one or two makes mistakes, but I know most of them personally, and they're great guys.
तो सर एक सवाल और है कि क्रिकेट को जेंटलमैन गेम माना जाता है. क्या आपको लगता है यही वजह है कि जो जिस तरह से अगर उनके जो स्टेटमेंट है उनको बहुत सोच समझ के क्रिकेटर्स को देना चाहिए, और महिलाओं के बारे में जो कही गई है बात, आपने एपिसोड हालांकि नहीं देखा है, लेकिन एक मैं जनरल परसेप्शन आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि
कभी जब घर में बेटी होती है ना और वो टीवी देखती है तो ये एडवांटेज होता है, तो कहीं कहीं शोज आपके मिस हो जाते हैं.
लेकिन मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे क्रिकेटर को जो माना जाता है कि जेंटलमैन गेम है और उनकी बातों को बहुत सीरियसली लिया जाता है, और अभी माना जा रहा है कि यंगस्टर इस पर ध्यान नहीं दे रहे, तो उस पर आपका एज ए सीनियर क्या कहना है?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, आप जनरलाइज नहीं कर सकते. somebody, people make mistakes. Let's not get too far into that, and I am sure whoever has done it will realize and will come out as a better person. We are all human beings. We are not machines that everything you put in comes out perfect. So you just got to live life and let others live. So they are responsible people. As they said, they are humans. They may be role models, but they are under pressure all the time to perform, and certain things happen, and I think as everyone, we should move on and make sure that it doesn't happen again.
फिर मैं देखता हूँ जिस तरीके से मूव करती है जी, उसी को राखी सावंत से मिले और मैं उन्हें एक लड़की की इज्जत कैसे करनी है मैं सिखाऊंगी कि लड़की को पीछे से देखोगे या आगे से देखोगे, करके आया हूँ या जो भी उन्होंने कहा है, हिंदुस्तान की तरफ से मैं लड़ूंगी और मैं उन्हें बताऊंगी